And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a hashtag shop made tools video where I actually show you a shop made tool. It's wrapped up here in absorbent toweling, all nice and shiny, clean, because I washed it with acetone. Set that there. I can throw this away. And here, and you can see that hole. Let's see you there. Yeah. The barrel of the micrometer head, which will go in here, and its actual position be adjusted and grunked down, and insane adhesive hold them together. The rest of the micrometer heads in there, you can, hey, there you can see it. Anyway, and the 256 Allen black steel, that was sterilized also. Now take the barrel of the micrometer head, well, that much. Take the screw, which is sterile, finish rolling. I'm not happy with you right now. You had to do that right on camera, just to make me look bad. That's one. Here's the next. Yeah, I decided this way was better. Okay, two nice little packages. No. And here, of course, is the rest of the micrometer head. Okay. Next shop vid, 1 or 2 days from now, I go out and I calibrate this so that my shear line radius turning attachment, I can, to 1/1000th of an inch, control the radius is turning. This is my hashtag shop made tools actual tool video. Good night from California. Stay safe.